Hello guys, welcome to EYE Poker Trade Center. Here in this video, we are gonna introduce our power strip long distance poker scanner to you. This is a common power strip. We turned it into a poker scanner by installing a poker camera inside the power strip. The scanning distance of the poker camera reaches up to 2 to 3 meters. You can use this remote control to move its scanning range and focalize according to where the barcode marked deck is placed. Now let's put this power strip poker scanner into practical use in 5-card Omaha poker. According to the poker analyzer, the third player will be the winner. Let's check the result. As you can see, the third player is the winner. If you are interested in our power strip long distance poker scanner, please contact EYE Poker Trade Center. Thank you.